If you have leftover corn tortillas, don't throw them out just yet. I'll show you how to make an easy and delicious breakfast with simple ingredients. Stick around, this one's easy and a classic. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making migas, one of the most satisfying breakfasts you can whip up with just a few simple ingredients you probably already have on hand. Here's an interesting fact. Migas originally started in Spain and Portugal as a way to use up stale bread. Migas means breadcrumbs, which gives the dish its name. Now let's get started. This recipe makes about 3 to 4 servings. For today's migas, we will need 2 tablespoons of oil divided, 6 corn tortillas cut into strips or triangles, 1/4 cup of white onion chopped into very small pieces, 1 medium tomato finely diced, 2 jalapeño peppers, de-seed and devein for no spice, 6 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. First, you need to cut your tortillas into bite-sized pieces. I like to half my tortillas and then I half them again until I get the size I want. We set our heat to medium and we add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan. Once that's heated up, we add our cut up tortillas and we cook them for 5 to 7 minutes. You want them to end up being crispy. Once your tortilla chips are done, you want to take them out of the pan and put them on a plate that is lined with paper towels. And that way, all that extra oil can drain. You want to set them aside once you're done plating all of your chips. In the same pan, we add 1 tablespoon of oil and we add our onion. We're going to cook our onion for 3 to 4 minutes until it's translucent and it's soft. Our onions look ready, so now we add our tomatoes. We're going to cook them for a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Our tomatoes are ready, so now we add our jalapeños. I'm adding the jalapeños at the end because I want them crunchy. But if you want them to be soft, you put them in with the onions. Our jalapeños are ready. Now we add our eggs and we add the salt. The trick to this is first you need to cook the egg a little bit before you add your tortilla chips, the ones we just made. So let's cook it for a couple of minutes. Now our eggs are ready for our tortilla chips. Let's add them. We add them all over our eggs and then we mix them in. We cook these for another 2 minutes just to make sure everything cooks together and all our egg is well done. And there you have it. Migas con huevo. If you're making these for brunch, serve them with refried beans on the side and sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top. It'll taste just like something from my family kitchen in the Rio Grande Valley of South Texas. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now let's try our migas. Delicious. Hasta luego.